Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Drive and clicking Shared with Me. This is where others' files appear. Scan for the file you want to remove and pay attention to the owner column so you understand who controls the original. Once found, right-click the item to reveal actions you're looking for remove. Do this now. Removing simply clears your view and access. It does not delete the owner's original file, which is important to know. Next, perform the removal step. Right-click the shared file and choose Remove, then Confirm. This takes the item out of your drive view. If the item lives in a shared drive, you cannot remove it yourself. Instead, message the owner and request they revoke your permission or change folder access. To find stubborn items, use the search bar with owner, email, or exact file name. Once located, repeat the remove action. Make sure to refresh drive to verify the item disappears. Finally, confirm the removal by refreshing drive and checking Shared with Me and Trash. Sometimes a removed shared item still shows until the view refreshes. If it persists, clear your browser cache or sign out and back in. This resolves most sync glitches. If remove fails or the file remains accessible, contact the file owner and ask them to revoke your permission or remove you from the shared folder. That action guarantees you lose access. Troubleshooting tip: owner revocation is the definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.